What do I draw with this golden marker? I know. Let's draw Golden Freddy. In normal, withered, nightmare, and great escape. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Not again. Let's go. So colouring with metallic Posca markers is my absolute nemesis. For even coverage and drying time, I did struggle a lot with this, but we got there in the end and it turned out absolutely awesome, so I hope you like it. Massive thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. We are now at 3,000 subs and that's absolute crazy. And also we've made a YouTube partner. Woo! And before I forget, live art streams are coming to the channel too. So exciting! Okay, enough talking. Let's get back to it. And there we have the normal side. It's time to move on to Withered. I have to say, I love how Withered Golden Freddy turned out in this, with his tarnished look and his broken ears and wires hanging out. It really makes this side stand out. I don't know if you noticed, but every new character that I draw seems to be more detailed, so these take a long time to do. So if you haven't liked already, hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. And there we have Withered Golden Freddy. It's time to move on to Nightmare Golden Freddy. So my understanding of Fredbear is technically Golden Freddy, so I decided to do a Nightmare side that's heavily influenced by Fredbear. And from the previous video I've already asked which one do you think is the most scariest, and Nightmare Fredbear seems to be one of the top scariest FNaF characters, and from this picture we now know why. And there we have Nightmare Golden Freddy. It's time for Great Escape Golden Freddy. I really struggled to find another version of Golden Freddy, and this popped up, Great Escape Golden Freddy, and I think it really turned out awesome with all the gold chains and the weights that's going to be weighing him down. So I hope you like it. And if you have any more suggestions on what characters I should draw next, leave it in the comments. I think the black outline really brings this drawing together to show the details of the change straitjacket that locks Golden Freddy away. What do you think? And there we have Great Escape Golden Freddy. Which one is your favourite? Is it normal, withered, nightmare, or Great Escape? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.